Hi everyone, this is a second video on adding calendars to your calendars. There are two additional calendars that you can add to your calendars that could benefit you. One is our NCK Tech Beloit Buildings at ncktc.edu. There is an underscore between the K and the T, so make sure you include that. And the second one is NCK underscore Tech Hayes Buildings. These two calendars house or host all of the building activities that are going on campus. So if you're wanting to know if there's a facility available on a certain day, you can go to these two particular calendars and see that. Here's how you can add those to your calendars. Just go up here to the little waffle iron. Once you click on the waffle iron, come down here to calendar. Once you're in the calendar, then you can come down here to calendars and you can add another calendar. And so we're going to subscribe to the Beloit Buildings calendar by putting in NCK underscore Tech Beloit Buildings at ncktc.edu. And once I've added that calendar, it'll go ahead and add that into my list of calendars that are available over here on the side. Another way that you can see that calendar is by going to our homepage. To get to our homepage, you go right here. If you scroll down to schedules, you can look at schedules, go over here to either the Beloit or Hayes campus, and you'll see a building schedule in there. And so once you click on the building schedule, that building schedule will also show up in here. Again, if you have any kinds of questions on calendars or adding calendars or modifying calendars, let us know. And again, if you need to add anything to these calendars as far as activities that are going on in those buildings, you can contact somebody in the admin building. Thank you.